Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change alarm ringtone in Philips Wake Up. And to do this, first we'll need to click on menu, then move to the third option, which is the sound, but actually just this alarm just selected, so let's just go back, and now we can move to that ringtone. Then click on select, and here make sure that you have selected the bird and not the radio, and you can do it by clicking on plus or minus. So now the bird is selected, we can go and click on select. Then there's a few different ringtones, and when you access them you can click on plus or minus to also switch between them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.